Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of the Vochek experience here. Again, I apologize, it's been a while since the last video, but you know, things are going on, work, life, whatever. But this one here, I wanted to show you our very first snowstorm of the year, and it's a doozy, let me tell you. Yeah, here, let me kind of figure out how to do this here. Look at that. Just coming out of the porch to do some shoveling and stuff, and look at that, it is coming down pretty good. It is snowing and sleeting. You could probably kind of hear that in the background. The wind's blowing pretty good. It's just one heck of a snowstorm to start out with, huh? Yeah. Of course, all the schools are closed. Probably a good thing. Just wish everything else was closed, huh? I'm trying to see if I can shovel a path between our house and my grandmother's house down here. I know it doesn't look like it's too far away, but my God, with the way this wind and this sleet's going, I just might turn into Frosty the Snowman out here. Wow, this is just. People say I'm strange when I want to start listening to Christmas songs around right after Halloween. This is why. This reminds me of the North Pole. I'm waiting for Santa Claus to come ho-ho-hoing around here. Anyway, I'm going to continue shoveling here before I freeze into an ice block. Well, I managed to shovel a path, such as it is, between our house and my grandmother's house, and down to the car and everything. Oh, man. I honestly did not think it was going to get quite this bad, because you know the weathermen, they say, oh, it's going to be 80 feet of snow, and then like one little snowflake falls, and you know, and that's that. But yeah, it's getting pretty bad out here. My hair's frozen. Go figure. Yeah, my beard hair is kind of freezing too. My hand holding this thing is, I think it's about ready to fall off from frostbite or something. But yeah, all I can say is be safe out there. It's gonna suck here in a few. I gotta go and pick my mother up from work. So, and I really do not think they plowed anywhere up here yet, and it's been going on like this for hours. But that's the beauty of Gallitzin. They never do anything until it's done, basically. So I'm just hoping I can get to Crescent to pick her up. So but yeah, be safe out there. Drive slow if you have to go out. Be mindful of other people around you. I read a post today on Facebook about some lady saying that, like, I don't care if it's snow and blow and blizzard, whatever, they're just going to go as fast as they want to go and don't give a crap, really, about other people. But you just can't drive like that. Be mindful of your fellow neighbor on the road, and just, you know, be safe. Alright, I'm going in the house now to thaw out for a little bit before I have to go back out in this to go pick her up. And, yeah, maybe my hair can melt. But until then, have fun, be safe, and I know I'm an idiot, and that's the beauty of it. So this is Joey the Idiot, signing off. Or should I say Joey the Idiot Snowman? You decide. See you in the next one.